the very seed of the oracle, the pastor in charge of Omega Fire Ministry, BUEA 1, Southwest Region, Cameroon. I and my family and the entire church, we are using this great opportunity to say to our Father, happy birthday, the restoration apostle, a man with a heart of gold, a man with a mandate to depopulate the kingdom of hell and impopulate the kingdom of heaven. A man that fights the fight of good faith in the body of Christ. A man of peace. A man that loves greatness and he pursues after greatness and he got it on a platform. We are here to celebrate that teacher. We are here to celebrate that mentor. And we all here, and my family and the entire church, we say, happy birthday. Not just that alone. Daddy, we want to say, we love you. And then we say, hip, hip, hip.